Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you would like to allow the sender's name to appear in your inbox, in your Outlook account, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to do so. So without further ado, let's dive in. So from your homepage on your Outlook app, the first thing you're going to do is in this list over here where you see all of your mails, you want to go and click on the by date. And here you can arrange this from either date to size, from, subject, type. What we want to select here is from. This will mean the emails in this inbox will be arranged by who it is coming from, so the sender. The next thing you can do to define this even more is go to the ribbon and click on view, and to the left you'll see change view. We're going to open this up, and here you can click on manage views. Now from here, we're going to go to the right hand side of this window that's just opened up and click on modify. This will allow you to modify all of these elements. We're going to look for columns, and on the left hand side you'll have available columns. On the right hand side you'll have the columns that are actually within your folder. Now if from is not here, you want to make sure that it is selected here and click on add in the center. This from will now be added here at the bottom of this menu, and you want to just make sure you're going to move it up to the top. Click on OK, close that window by clicking on OK, click on OK, and now you'll be able to view the sender of the emails within your inbox. Now, if this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead, drop us a big old thumbs up, show your support, and we'll see you next time. Peace.